Today, we are going to discuss about school fun fair. At first, we will study about the vocabulary, and then after that, we will learn about the dialogue. Let's begin. First, the vocabulary.
Wow.
School fair. School fair. Cool ideas. Cool ideas. Sounds fun. Sounds fun. Face painting. Face painting. To turn into. To turn into. Give out. Give out. Craft station. Craft station. Friendship bracelets. Friendship bracelets. Paint small rocks. Paint small rocks. To decorate. To decorate. Show off. Show off. Photo booth. Photo booth. Would be a hit. Would be a hit. Cool. Cool. Okay, now it's time to talk about school fun fair. Okay, let's begin. Hi, Tommy. We should make the school fair awesome. I have some cool ideas.
Hey, Sarah. Sounds fun. What are your ideas?
How about we do face painting? We can have cool designs and it will be super fun.
Cool idea. I would love to turn into a sport hero or something. What else?
I was thinking we could have games like Battle Flipped, simple games, but everyone likes it.
Nice one. We can give out small prizes to the winners. What's next?
How about a craft station? We can make friendship bracelets or paint small rocks. It's a way for everyone to get creative.
I like that. We can use the painted rocks to decorate the school later. Got any more ideas?
What about a talent show? Students could show off their singing, or dancing, or tell jokes.
That could be cool. We can have judges and give out awards. Any other suggestions?
And what about a photo booth with fun? We can take picture with our friends.
Great idea. A photo booth would be a hit. Let's keep thinking and make this school fair the coolest one yet.